We got a good start to the track here. So what do we got going here?
We got Action Canyon. So this is going to be part of a quarry. And
Very cool.
I think it makes sense because there's a waterfall. Now I'm just trying to get it so it will work.
Yep, this is just the start of it. You guys ain't seen nothing yet. We got a lot more coming.
Yeah. Candy. Hi, and I finished the track around the pool, and I'm so excited to show you it. So let's start. So Yong Bao's gonna start here. Gonna come up the ice mountain. I think he likes it. Or cold, I don't know. Then he's gonna come around a circle. This circle is gonna be made into a quarry, like a floater. Oh. So then we'll come across to Shake Bridge. He does not like these old tracks. So then he's gonna come up and the bird's gonna break. Whoop. No, I didn't get that. Then he's gonna come. Go Yong Bao. Whoop. Go Yong Bao. He's gonna fast random dogs with the Pony cruise ship. Then he'll come past the siding to across the ocean. Whoop. He'll come up the hill. Go Yong Bao. Go Yong Bao. Yes. Yay! So he'll come along the track for the bridge, for the curvy track, then up for the straightaway where you can go very fast. Go Yong Bao, go very fast. Then he'll come to the spotlight up here. So it's the lighthouse sort of too. You come to the launch pad. Come on, Yong Bao, do it! Go Yong Bao. Yeah. So we'll come up and crash. We'll come under the temple this time. Come. We'll go to the other part later. This way. Through the curvy, and then, but the sun damaged the track, so it's very bumpy now. We have to get through it all. Come on. Yay. Up. Then he'll come down through the rocks, through the track, come past the quarry again, up through the snake track, through random docks, come on, yes, through the whispering woods, yes. They're gonna come over the bridge.
All right, pause the train.
Now we'll come over Mermaid Lagoon. There's the mermaids. Come up.
We knew you could do it, Yong Bao.
Yep. Now we'll just go back to the quarry. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that it worked. I'm so happy I can't even speak. Then it'll come up. Yay! He did it! So we're gonna start with Thomas. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Put in the comments which one was your favorite part. Hit the subscribe button in the corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.